You can look at it and it'll tell us all about the battery. The battery is at 60% of its original capacity.
Wow.
Right, so it doesn't last very long. It's actually from 2014, so it's 5 years old. The computer's 5 years old, and it's not doing so great. And then if we look at the history and upload it, you can actually see if you can see this. Look at that. So this battery is definitely dying. I'm going to take a screenshot of that. Just so we have it. Are 9mm, and the rest are 2.6mm.
They look
And-
the same. They look the same.
They look the same, but they'll be longer. You'll see it when they come out.
Oh,
Okay, go
okay.
for it.
I thought you were like they use like different.
So yeah, there you go. Get some video of her doing this. We'll edit the audio. Can somebody take some pictures too?
What do you want?
Oh yeah, so what I like to do is have some tape, because these are super small screws and we're going to lose them. So. Oh, we took off the screws, so scroll down to the next step 2. Step 2 says wedge your fingers between the display and the lower case, that's right here, and pull up. Can you do it? Oh, it just comes right up. That was easy. Put it aside, you see? Whoa, that was easy. Alright, scroll down next. This is the battery.
Still really want to see it getting
grab
closer.
it.
Of the connector as you disconnect it.
Grab this and pull towards the front. Which way is the front?
The front. I'd imagine like the front. Like
Basically this way. So it's this way.
yeah.
So do you want to do that?
Pull it towards you.
I mean, I'm the one who has to do this stuff with a warning. How
Pull
reassured.
towards you. What? It's electrifying.
It's not.
Get out.
It's not enough to kill. You just
Don't worry about it. It's part of the whole class. Okay.
Do I lift it up?
It said not to. Do not lift. There we go.
Haha.
Don't break it. You should be happy about that.
It was not easy to get out.
Okay. Next step. What's the next step? Do not lift upwards. It's like,
Hear that? Okay.
remove the following 5 screws. So for this one we need
I'm the one that said that
Trump's
was
teeth
warning.
5.
I knew exactly what it means.
Okay.
That's one.
Okay. So 3 of the same size.
That's
2 of different size. That's it. It's a short one. Put it over there. I don't know if it's a better view around that side or not. But can you see well?
Yeah.
If you can see them, that's okay. So I got an idea. It turned off. I don't know if it's a better view around that side or not. Or can you see well? If you can see them, that's okay. I got an idea.
It turned off.
It turned off. Oh, it's the screen's off, but it's still on. Remember how we get the screen from that? Oh, just press the phone button.
This one's the larger ones.
Yeah. So we got 3.
Wait, can I stand up on here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so this should be another large one as well.
Same.
Okay, so 3 large ones. And
Okay. What's the next step there? We take,
Sure.
don't worry about this stuff. We take also next step. When handling the battery, avoid screws. Start with the one. There you go. That was easy. Okay, so what's the next step there, Krute?
no, that's not supposed to be out.
You sure?
Certain, because look, the screws on this one.
Okay. This is It's upside down. This is not the
But
official.
I've actually have to push, like plug it in first.
You
Like,
have to get this.
You got shaky camera. I got
Long
camera
ones
going
are
all
this
over
one,
the
this
place.
one, and the middle and top ones are the long ones.
What do I do?
You just screw. You have to screw the thing in.
Okay.
Screw.
Take some pictures too, guys.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's good. This one.
It's good. It's good. It doesn't have to be super tight. Just
And now that one.
it is not a flush at all, is it? It's like the
Oh, that's what I mean. It's like slightly off. I'll screw this one.
Yeah. Is that the?
That one's
No,
a
no,
small
no.
one. That one's a small one.
Remember, if it doesn't fit, make it.
everything fits if you have a hammer.
Oh, there you go.
Did I get in there?
MacBook battery
Hold on,
in.
guys. Are we missing a screw?
No,
No,
hammer
no.
time.
The two big ones and another small one.
Yes. There we go. Some high action shots.
Yeah, well, actually,
Yeah, where's the right
button?
Put a long one in.
action?
Put a long one
Get
in.
out.
Actually got a good angle right here.
A long
Yeah.
one
Not easy.
It's like a 90s skate video where you just drop it.
there. Put a long one
Get
in.
out.
actually got a good angle right here.
Long one.
Yeah. This is not easy.
It's like a 90s skate video where you just drop it and pick it up.
Throw a cord at him.
Take a quick peek at that. Is it going in?
Yeah.
It's just not flash, right?
Just got this.
Right, which one? The middle one or the bottom one?
It's my wife's computer.
Yeah. 7 hours later.
Yeah, it's like
And by more of that, you probably mean they're gonna keep it until they break it in like 5 months.
yeah. Okay, long one in the middle. This is why they're on tape. Trust me, I put together my Motorola phone at 11.
It doesn't work.
The truth bud. It failed. Dun dun dun.
The cake was a lie, guys.
Oh, it's actually okay. So,
And now, let's have fun putting all these back in.
who's gonna do this?
Well,
Here, switch up.
Sure.
You video
I'll do it.
I'll put it back in.
I'll video it. Why not?
Alright.
Do you want to be on camera?
Doesn't matter to me, sure.
The phone's under warranty, right? So if I break it, it's not a bad thing. just to play safe. Just to play safe.
Accidental damage. It's
Wait,
Pixel before.
Is it an iPhone or is it
It is an iPhone.
Yeah. Is it the newer version where you can shave with the camera? Because the camera nowadays with the 3 holes, it looks like the shaver you see.
Mine is the amateur. Pro. It only
It's
has
the
2.
wannabe.
It only has 2. So these ones, yeah.
Hey, you're not a true you're not a real one if you don't have a nuke.
So here's the thing. A friend of mine got the Pro. I said, oh, so it's a smaller screen, right?
And here we have a Gabriel
Oh, and the battery's not
walking on a
good.
computer,
Yeah.
focusing with
Yeah,
all
but it has
his
an
might.
extra lens on it. I said, yeah,
I got it. I got it.
that lens.
He is hard at work.
Yeah, so you pay. Actually, it has a much nicer screen.
Does he?
It's an OLED screen.
Doesn't look like this one's spinning it. Gabriel is encountering some difficulties. Will he be able to overcome this? We see
Guys,
his
what are you
wild
doing?
Gabriel trying to put together.
I have the voice down, guys. Let me have this.
A wild Gabriel's trying to put together.
That's what I did earlier. Zach and Lucas are gonna have big red handprints on their faces. If you can catch me. Plus, I have the teacher's phone. If it breaks, that's your issue. I'm not saying I'm smacking the phone. I'm saying I'm smacking you. I can use this as self-defense and still be your fault. From his teacher, Gabriel seems to now have understood the key to unlocking this issue.
I think we've done this quicker than 15 minutes. I think
Yeah.
it's been like 5.
The Motorola one I did, it said,
He's
kind of weird, right?
finishing the
But
lock
anyway,
and lock
it's like 4 years old.
is needed.
It was,
Reassemble.
but it's a slides, so you can
And Lucas has my foot where the sun don't shine.
45 minutes. It's like 10 minutes. What's wrong, guys? It's 11 series. Relax.
It's like the Xbox teardown. It's like it may take like an hour and a half.
But it does not matter. Because no one gives a rap.
It's good to look through these because of those little things. Like I totally would have pulled up on that, and then I would have ruined it.
Well, it's not like you're reusing the battery, but you might have
No, no,
There is
this
no missing.
slides into
Only
the thing.
two.
Yeah.
If you pulled up on it, it would break the.
Yeah.
5. Oh. Where'd you learn to count? Well, it's not easy when you can't see
Don't
anything.
even yell.
I think the batteries died on this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Blinking?
Yeah, it's blinking.
Oh, sorry. Thanks for fixing my computer. Computer science, guys. Bill now.